Want to know if your Windows Firewall is actually protecting your PC? Checking the firewall status only takes a moment. In this guide, I'll show you a few simple ways to check it using Windows Security and Windows Settings. First, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Select the app to open the Security dashboard. From the dashboard, select Firewall and Network Protection. You'll see the available network profiles, including domain, private, and public networks, depending on your Windows configuration. Look for the network marked as active. Open that profile and check the Microsoft Defender Firewall status. If it says the firewall is on, Windows is currently applying firewall protection to that network. It's also worth checking the other profiles. Private networks are typically used for trusted networks, while public networks are designed for less trusted locations. Make sure the firewall is enabled where appropriate. You can also check through Control Panel. Search for Control Panel, open it, select System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. This page shows the firewall status for the available profiles. For more detail, select Advanced Settings. This opens Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, where you can review inbound and outbound rules and firewall monitoring information. There's also a command line method. Open Command Prompt and enter the Netched Firewall Show All Profiles command. This displays the firewall state for each network profile. If Windows Security shows a firewall warning, read the message carefully. Don't disable the firewall just to remove a warning. Instead, check which profile or setting needs attention. Once you've checked everything, return to Windows Security and confirm that your active network shows the firewall as enabled. And that's how to check your Windows Firewall status. Windows Security is the easiest option, while Control Panel and Command Prompt give you additional ways to verify it. Checking occasionally helps make sure your network protection is active.